I've waited long, and now I commit. This is finally, really, truly, positively it. The door, the desk, the man behind the glass, Los Bowls walls and polished brass. They say, pitch sharp, keep calm, don't brag. But this pointer, it's not just some tech in a bag. See, I've lit up rooftops, traced the stars, helped teachers reach the back of the class from afar. But this one, it's built to fly, to start a flame, to aim for sky. And yeah, maybe I'm dreaming too big. But I brought proof, and I brought fire in a twig. Twist the dial, watch it burn, or dial it back, make it safe in turn. No eye too soft, no glass too thin. This beam can pulse from deep within. You've trained your men in Martian steel, but try this out, you'll really feel the line you're drawing in the air. The way command becomes a glare. You're trying to build ships that rise. This pointer can stabilize. Think flight paths, launch sites, guidance beams. This isn't sales, it's chasing dreams. You ever get that spark in the dark? That jolt when a tool becomes something more. When what you're building starts to talk back. This pointer talks, it sings, I know. I'm not your biggest name, but give me one shot, I'll light the game. One spark and you'll see me there, helping your fleet rise through the air. I came with tech, not a lie to sell, just my best and what I know well. A beam of trust, a focus clear. Let me show you why I'm here. I'm not just pitching, I'm not just bold. I want to build what can't be sold. A way to aim, a guide, a thread, to shape the sky, not just point ahead. Let me point the way before you choose where this goes next. I'm not just poor.